Where does the name for Picton come from? So today I'm in Picton. It's a very small village up in the hills behind Talacre in Flintshire. So the town name is one of those Old English town names that was founded during the Kingdom of Mercia's occupation of this area around the year 800. The name is made of two parts and it comes from Old English. Pic means a point, and it's the ancestor of the English word for pike and peak, and it literally means a pointy hill. And then tun means a farmstead, but has come to mean a settlement. So literally it means the farmstead on the pointy hill. Anyway, diolch, thank you. I understand it's been a short one. Subscribe for more, give us a like and a share. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.